all you are fine. So today I'm going to make this video on related to education. So this video will be on grammar, that is the English grammar section. So any students, friends, those who are keen to learn about it, they can join me in my videos and comment me in my comment box, or in any question they have got, I will clear them up. And do like and share this video with your friends so that they learn from it. Thank you. So narration has two parts, that is the direct speech and the indirect speech. And if we get a question what is speech, that everything we speak is called as speech. So we will learn it with an example, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. First of all, we will see here an example. Sunil says, I am a cricketer. So Sunil says is the reporting clause here, and I am a cricketer is the reported clause. So whenever we will change this sentence to the indirect form, it will be like Sunil says that he is a cricketer. So one thing we have noticed here, what are the things that we have changed? The first is I am a cricketer is being changed to is, and the new word that we have used instead of comma code is that. So why we have changed it, and what are the things that we have changed? Am is a present tense, is also a present tense, and are is also a present tense. Here we are using is. So in this sentence there is no change in the tense, because here we have got the reporting clause is in verb is says, it is already in the present tense, so we didn't need to change it. And if we see the next, that is the second example, that is Hari said to me, I am here to play with you. Here Hari said to me is been changed to Hari told me that. So what we have seen in here, the reporting clause said is to be changed to told, because it is in the past tense, and that is used here. And instead of am we have used was. Why? Because we will learn here why. Am is changes to was. Here we have noticed that the tense has been changed. So what we have learned from it, that whenever we find a reporting clause that is in the present tense, so says is in the present tense, whenever we will change it into the indirect form, the tense will not be changed, it will be in present tense itself. But whenever we see a sentence that is of this type, means here we have seen that the reporting clause said is in the past tense, so the reported clause has been changed into the past form. So now we will come to the second part, are some rules. If the reporting clause is in the present tense or future tense, there is no change of tense of the verb in the indirect. So have you understood? So for understanding it, we will see an example. He says or will say, it is my book. So what we have noticed here, the reporting clause, this part is the reporting clause. So reporting clause is in the present tense and the future tense, isn't it? So here it is said that if the reporting clause is in the present tense or the future tense, then there is no change of the tense of the verb. That means he says or will say that it is his book. So we have noticed here that when we have changed it in the indirect form, then there is no changes of tense here. Have you noticed it? The only things we have changed here is the my is changed to his. He says or will say that it is his book. So we have changed it into the third form. So everybody knows what is the first, second and third person. So I have wrote it here, the first person I, me, we, second person is the you. So whenever we come to direct or indirect speech, whenever we change direct speech to indirect, then we always change the first and the second to the third person. So that's why we have changed my to his. Have you understood? So to explain it or to understand it more clearly, next again we will see an example. He says or will say, it was. What we have seen here, here the verb, the be verb is was, that is in the past tense. Everybody knows that was is the past form of the verb. So it was my book. So here what we have seen, we says or will say that it was his book. So what we have noticed, the tense of the both direct and the indirect speech are same. So when it will remain same, when the reporting clause will be in the present and future tense. So don't confuse it. Whenever we will see that the reporting clause is in the present tense or future tense, then the indirect part, whenever we will change it in the indirect, then there will be no change of tense here, that will remain the same. Okay.